can't get there we go. I've done the same thing with the y-axis, got the spindle exactly above that plane, that first surface, and you can see that was 1/10 of an inch off from where I set that 0, and I got to go back the other way because I messed up. Okay, we're going to take that last 1/10 of an inch out. And now we have X and Y centered. And now we're going to be doing the Z. To do that, I'm going to take out the edge finder and put in an actual cutter, and I'm going to actually bring it down right to the very bottom. Let me swap out this while I have the camera on it. It's a little different. This is the edge finder. And this is going to be the end mill that we're going to be using. And it goes in like that. Actually, I'm going to have to change out that cutter.